Are you waking up 2, 3, maybe even 4 times a night just to use the bathroom? This constant interruption isn't merely ruining your precious sleep. It's a critical signal directly from your prostate. It points to a vital conversation about your prostate health that truly should be happening in every doctor's office for men over 60, yet it astonishingly almost never does. What if I told you this isn't about expensive new pills or invasive, uncomfortable procedures? Instead, it's about understanding and adopting just 3 simple daily habits that have the power to completely revolutionize your prostate health. Scientific studies, often buried in medical journals, have emphatically proven these habits can be far more effective than many of the costly medications commonly prescribed, yet they remain an untold secret to most men. As Dr. Rena Malik, with over 2 decades of experience as a urologist, I am finally here to have this urgent, life-changing conversation with you. Stay with me for every moment of this video, because what I'm about to reveal could genuinely transform how you experience the rest of your life, making your golden years truly golden. And trust me, the 3rd habit will absolutely catch you by surprise. To fully grasp the profound impact of these 3 habits, you first need a quick, clear understanding of why this matters so much. Imagine your prostate as a small gland, roughly the size of a walnut, situated right below your bladder. The crucial point here is its unique position. It encircles your urethra, the tube through which urine exits your body, much like a tight ring. As the years naturally pass and hormonal changes occur within your body, this little gland typically begins to grow larger. Because it wraps around the urethra, this growth inevitably starts to squeeze and constrict that vital channel. Think of it exactly like stepping on a garden hose. The flow gets restricted or even stops. This phenomenon, often called benign prostatic hyperplasia, BPH, is incredibly common among men as they age. By the time men reach 60, well over half are already experiencing its uncomfortable effects. By 70, that staggering number jumps to 70%. This explains precisely why those all too familiar symptoms emerge. The frustrating difficulty in starting urination, a stream that has regrettably lost its former strength, that lingering feeling that your bladder never truly empties, and of course, those incessant bathroom trips that repeatedly shatter your night's restful sleep. The most critical, often unspoken part is that far too many men simply accept this as an unavoidable aspect of getting older. But here's the shocking truth. You absolutely do not have to accept these changes as a life sentence. There are natural, scientifically proven methods, not only to prevent these issues from worsening, but in many cases to actually reverse them. And that precisely is what I am going to empower you to do right now, starting with our first crucial habit. Our first game-changing habit is something we all think we know, but I promise there's a vital twist. I call it smart hydration. I can almost hear you thinking, Dr. Jane, just drinking water? Seriously? Yes, absolutely, seriously. But the secret isn't merely how much water you consume, it's critically about when you drink it, and that distinction is paramount. Let me explain this simply. When your body doesn't receive enough water, your urine becomes highly concentrated. It gets laden with irritating toxins and substances that can literally inflame your bladder and prostate, exacerbating all those bothersome symptoms we've discussed. The overlooked secret, the pivotal element, is timing. The strategy for smart hydration is elegantly simple. Drink the majority of your water throughout the morning and afternoon. After 6 p.m., drastically cut back your intake, ideally limiting yourself to just small sips if you genuinely feel thirsty. By conscientiously implementing this strategy, you ensure your prostate stays adequately hydrated and healthy during the day, and most importantly, you grant your bladder a much-needed break throughout the night. This isn't just my professional opinion. Extensive studies show that men who meticulously follow this hydration pattern report an impressive reduction of up to 40% in their nighttime bathroom trips. Just pause for a moment and consider what that truly means for your life. Deeper, utterly uninterrupted, restorative sleep. It's a seemingly minor adjustment that has the potential to completely transform your overall quality of life. Now, let's seamlessly transition to the second powerful habit, one you can effortlessly begin integrating into your routine today. We've meticulously covered smart hydration, and next we explore a habit so deceptively simple you might initially doubt its effectiveness. But please don't. I affectionately refer to it as the strategic walk. I'm not suggesting a strenuous marathon, but rather a short, gentle walk of just 10 to 15 minutes, strategically timed right after your main meals. It sounds almost too easy to yield significant results, doesn't it? However, the scientific evidence supporting it is incredibly robust. Here's the fundamental principle. Every time you eat, your blood sugar levels naturally tend to spike. A brief walk immediately following a meal efficiently helps your muscles utilize that incoming sugar as immediate fuel, thereby effectively preventing those disruptive blood sugar spikes. In fact, a groundbreaking study published in the highly respected journal Diabetes Care revealed that a mere 15-minute walk after each meal was demonstrably more effective at consistently controlling blood sugar levels throughout the entire day than a single longer 45-minute walk. Now, the crucial question you might be pondering, what connection does blood sugar have with your prostate? The answer is absolutely everything. Consistent, uncontrolled blood sugar spikes are a primary driver of chronic inflammation throughout the entire body, and modern science now definitively knows that chronic inflammation is one of the leading triggers for prostate growth, a condition known as hyperplasia, and a significantly increased risk of more serious prostate issues. So, by embracing this remarkably simple habit of taking a strategic walk, you're not just enjoying a leisurely stroll, you are actively and powerfully fighting inflammation at its fundamental source, safeguarding your prostate health, and profoundly improving your metabolic well-being with every single step you take. This doesn't necessitate an intense workout. A relaxed amble around the block after lunch or dinner is perfectly sufficient. It's a minimal investment of your time that promises an enormous, lasting return on your prostate health. Okay, we have now arrived at the third and, without a doubt, the most surprising habit of all. I feel it's essential to address this particular topic with the utmost seriousness and respect it rightfully deserves, especially since I recognize that for many men, it remains shrouded in an uncomfortable silence. I am referring to what I, as a medical professional, describe as natural prostate cleansing. The scientific foundation for this is exceptionally clear and originates from one of the world's most reputable institutions, Harvard University. In a landmark, comprehensive study, researchers meticulously tracked over 30,000 men for nearly 2 decades. The results were nothing short of groundbreaking. They discovered that men who ejaculated more frequently, specifically around 21 times a month or even more, exhibited a remarkable reduction of up to 33% in their risk of developing prostate cancer. I understand that the number 21 times a month might initially sound high to some, but for many, this frequency represents a healthy and quite regular part of their sexual well-being. So, how exactly does this mechanism work? The explanation is both fascinating and straightforward. Regular ejaculation serves as a highly effective cleanse for the prostate. Picture it as a crucial internal flushing system. Each time, you are actively assisting in the expulsion of old secretions, dormant cells, and potential toxins that could otherwise accumulate within the gland over time, leading to inflammation or gradual damage. And here, I must be exceptionally clear. The Harvard study unequivocally concluded that the health benefit lies squarely in the frequency of ejaculation itself, irrespective of whether it occurs with a partner or through masturbation. I fully understand that for many men, particularly those without a steady partner, this topic can feel uncomfortable or deeply personal. However, from a strictly medical and objective health perspective, I want you to know with absolute certainty that this is a completely normal, natural practice, and it is scientifically proven to be significantly beneficial for your prostate health at any age. If discussing this topic makes you feel uncomfortable, I strongly encourage you to have an open, honest conversation with your urologist. This is a vital health discussion, and there should be no room for judgment in your doctor's office. It's now absolutely critical to understand how these three remarkable habits seamlessly connect and work together to safeguard your prostate. Before we delve deeper, I must issue an essential warning, not merely as a content creator, but as your doctor. Nothing, and I repeat, absolutely nothing we have discussed here should ever replace your annual checkup with your trusted urologist. For all men over 60, your regular PSA, prostate-specific antigen tests, and digital rectal exams, DREs, are utterly vital diagnostic tools. Early detection is undeniably your greatest ally for ensuring effective treatment, if needed, and securing a long, healthy, and vibrant life. Please, I implore you, do not neglect these critical appointments. Ultimately, taking proactive care of your prostate is synonymous with taking care of your fundamental quality of life. It makes the crucial difference between an active, independent, and truly vibrant third age, and one that might be unfortunately marked by limitations and discomforts you simply do not need to endure. I know without a shadow of a doubt that these principles work. This isn't just abstract medical theory for me, it's the tangible, positive results I witness in my patients' lives every single day within my office. I consistently see men who have thoughtfully adopted these remarkably simple practices and report extraordinary improvements in their daily well-being. However, I also recognize that many of you are understandably looking for faster results, or you might already be contending with symptoms that are profoundly bothersome. In those specific cases, directly tackling the very root of the issue, chronic inflammation, becomes absolutely essential. That's precisely why I want to share something I've been confidently recommending to my patients, which is proving to be nothing short of a game-changing discovery. It's a simple, incredibly quick 15-second bedtime masculine ritual that has shown truly impressive results in helping to significantly reduce prostate swelling and swiftly relieve the most frustrating symptoms, such as constant dribbling and persistent bathroom urgency, often in just a matter of weeks. The sheer elegance and beauty of this method lie in its natural efficacy, completely without the need for expensive pharmaceutical medications that, as we unfortunately know, often come burdened with a long and undesirable list of side effects. Sadly, genuinely effective natural solutions like this rarely receive the spotlight they deserve, simply because they don't generate the colossal profits sought by the colossal pharmaceutical industry. So, if you are genuinely frustrated by the incessant interruptions to your night's sleep or constantly feeling embarrassed by those urgent, never-ending bathroom trips, I have meticulously prepared a concise video presentation that explains precisely how this revolutionary ritual works. You can find the direct link securely pinned in the first comment below this video, and it's also conveniently located in the description. Now, I eagerly want to hear directly from you. Please drop a comment below and share. Which of these three habits surprised you the most? Or, more importantly, which one are you committed to starting today? If you have any questions at all, this is the perfect place to ask. I make a concerted effort to read and respond personally to as many as I possibly can. And please, let me know what city or country you're watching from. I genuinely love connecting with all of you across the globe. If this video has brought genuine value to your life, the best and easiest way to thank me is by hitting that like button and subscribing to the channel. Don't forget to activate the notification bell so you never miss our future vital videos on men's health. And finally, but perhaps most importantly, please share this video. Send it to a friend, a brother, your father, or your son. Quality information like this, when shared at precisely the right time, can literally make a profound difference in someone's life. To further continue this enriching journey of knowledge and to take even better, more informed care of your precious health, click on the video now popping up on your screen, where I reveal the essential foods that best support and nurture your prostate health. I'll see you in the next video, and always remember, your health is, without question, your most precious asset.